with the following components and gives you a complete solution to your pediatric auscultation training. Once you unbox your pad, you'll find the following. Pad auscultation training torso, which is mounted on a base and comes with a t-shirt. Laptop with pre-installed software, which allows you to access Cardionics library of heart, lung, bowel and body sounds, as well as set up programmable and password-protected lectures and exams. Optional speaker system allows a larger group of students to participate in the lecture. And included, there is a product manual which you can also find online. If you're interested in finding out more about PAD, please visit our website or contact your local sales representative.